Hello everyone, my name is Eve and I would like to introduce you to our new microwave. This is the Sharp microwave R372M and it was very kindly given to us by the company AO for the sole purpose of this review. It's a great microwave, but before I tell you a bit about it, I would like to introduce you to my husband, All Thumbs. He was unpacking the box and I filmed that part. So let's go over to when he unpacked.
So this is our new microwave. It arrived very promptly. Obvious from the outside what it is. Well packaged, very solid. Let's have a look inside and see what we have. Again, very well packaged. Plenty of support for the item inside. There it is, protected in plastic as well. Let's have a look at it. There it is, looks fantastic.
Ooh. Is there a manual?
Aha! Blokey finds manual. There we go. There's the manual. Everything inside also very well packaged and protected. Looking good.
And here the microwave is in place. Wow, that unboxing is hard work. I think I need a cold drink. Anything else you would like to tell us about the microwave, All Thumbs?
So it's a really nice big microwave, 25-litre capacity, 900 watt full power, but a really great function is that you can vary the power level from 100% to 90%, 80%, 70%. You can go as low as you want to go, and that is really helpful for people like us who had an old microwave that was not as powerful, to help them transition to getting used to this one, because it's easy to overcook stuff if you're not used to this kind of power. This microwave has a lot of functions that our old one didn't have, but it has a really great instruction manual. It's nice and clear, it's easy to understand, it's very helpful. For instance, here you can see clearly it shows you that the microwave needs space around it to be able to function safely and effectively. And that whole book is very well presented, very informative, and you will very soon be able to master this fantastic microwave.
We do love our movie nights. And what do you need for movie night? Popcorn! So this is how I do my popcorn, and I'll show you how I use the machine. Pop some goodness. So I'm gonna put it in. This microwave comes with the booklet, and it does tell you how to use the popcorn bag, and it does have the button for it. However, I'm popping my kernels this way, and so what I'm going to do is just set it for 3 minutes, full power, and start it. Wait, and I'll come back and show you the popcorn when it's done. Right, and so what I have is my popcorn seasoning and my salt, and so I'm ready to go with it. Wait a second. Here we go. Oh, look at that. That is wonderful. Let's try it. Oh, babes, that's great. That's lovely. Okay. So that's a success. 3 minutes. No burnt. Lovely. You feel me?
Yeah.
Right, so I would like to show you our favorite features of the microwave. So the first one I would like to show you is the airing out feature. Now because we've just made popcorn, the microwave smells of popcorn. So let's get rid of that smell. This is how you air out your microwave. You go for the power level and you bring it down all the way to 0. Right. And then you set it for how long you want it to air out. I'm going to set it for 10 seconds. Press start. And now only the fan is going. There's no power to heat up anything. This is the second feature that we really appreciate about the microwave, the child lock. So to turn it on, all you do is you press the stop clear button for 3 seconds, and then it makes this symbol. So what that means is that if any children come around, try to press the buttons, it won't work. Now, to take off the child lock button, you press it again, 3 seconds. And now you can carry on using the microwave.
So some great functions. A couple of things though that are not so good for us personally. One drawback is the sound. It is a bit loud and harsh, and there's no option to vary that or mute that or to turn that down. The other thing that we are not so keen on is the fact that it has what is actually a great function, the clock, and you have to keep the appliance turned on all the time for the clock to maintain the accurate time. For us personally, that doesn't work because we prefer to turn the appliances off overnight. So just a couple of small points that don't work so well for us. So thank you very much, AO, for sending us this microwave.
Yes, the delivery was quick and easy, and ordering was simple to do online. And I hope our review has been really helpful for the people out there. But I would like to thank you, All Thumbs, for your help in making this video. Smushed up. I don't like it. Second verse, same as the first. We do love our